Hi everybody. The best place to think about the world is where? A coffee shop. And that's where I am right now, in a coffee shop. And for the last hour or so, I've been thinking about life, thinking about what's going on with the world, and all these terrible tragedies we hear, especially terrorism. And terrorism is taking over the whole world. There's anti-Semitism and anti-Zedism and anti-Christianity and anti-Islam and anti-everything. And innocent people are being killed left and right, and children being abused, and women being enslaved, and horrible atrocities happening. And someone told me that someone in the last day or so has made an incredible Facebook page. It's called Make Peace Real, an online protest against terrorism. And I was amazed by that. I went online, I checked it out, and I just can't believe it. Someone had the decency, so to speak, or the idealism to make this, or the, whatever you want to call it, I don't even know the right word, but they did it. And I am just taken by it. And I'm going to talk to my friends about it, and I'm telling everyone about this amazing new movement. It's called Make Peace Real, an online protest against terrorism. And it's time to really do that. We really have to protest against terrorism. You know, and with this internet stuff and social media, it can be anywhere right now. Everyone can join together across the whole globe. So I'm joining, and I ask you to join, and tell your friends about it, because it's time to make peace real, an online protest against terrorism. Talk to you. Bye.